Welcome. In front of me is a LG K52 and today I'll show you how to put this device into safe mode. And to get started, all you want to do is hold power key. When you see the boot options, you want to hold power off. So when you hold it, it will change into safe mode toggle. And it gives you a message that basically when you boot into the safe mode, only the essential apps will be working, and every third-party application that you have installed from Play Store or whatever will be disabled. And that is so you can test if some kind of app is causing your phone problems. Now, just tap on turn on. This will initiate a reboot of the device. So we will need to wait about a minute for it to boot back up. And once it does, you should see a safe mode watermark in the bottom left corner of the screen. Just so you are certain that it did boot into safe mode. So let's give it a moment. And there we go. So as you can see, there is the safe mode mark, and if we unlock the device, there we go. You'll see that certain apps are not even working or loading, as Google feed right here for the search or weather. So they're basically disabled right now. And that is how you would boot into it. Now, once you're ready to leave it, all you need to do is hold the power key. And this time around, just simply tap on power off and restart. There we go. And again, the device will reboot, and once it's back on, it will be then back in the normal mode. And as you can see, we're now back in normal. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.